together.
No.
Do it together. We're back from commercial.
Pizza.
Well, pizza's not a commercial.
This is.
But anyway, we're back from commercial. Please support our sponsors. That's how we make money and
Pizza.
get money. Oh, look at it starting to set up, Isabella. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's incredible. So we're gonna do one more fold.
Joe.
Who?
Joe.
Joe what?
Plumbo.
Joe Palumbo. Who's that?
That's you, Daddy.
Oh my goodness. Here, watch. We're folding. We're folding. Look how nice it's
Good
setting
boy,
up.
Daddy.
Look at the gluten is forming nice
Gooping
chains of,
of pizza pasta.
yes, of pasta, yes. Spank that ball.
That's you, Dad.
Oh, jeez. Okay, we're gonna, you know what? This is what we're gonna do right there, just like that. Okay,
Big ball.
that's set up nicely. We're gonna put it back in
Big
here.
ball.
Paintball. You don't have to put it in this one. We're gonna put it in this one
Why?
because it's a nicer one. Set it in there for the night. Close him up, and into the fridge it goes. Oh my gosh, where are we gonna put it? Look at all this stuff in here. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Okay, it's in the fridge. Now we gotta collect all of our
Yeah.
items. Okay, the end. According to Isabella.
Thank you.
Now we wash up and we go. Andiamo. Until tomorrow. It's been another edition of the Baking Contractor
Thank you,
with
my
the special
dad here,
guest star,
and
Isabella.
I love my dad.
I love my Isabella. Okay, and there's Isabella, our special guest star at the Baking Contractor. And yesterday we made sourdough starter, and we just took it out of the fridge, and we are. Oh, look, it's been sliced already, so I sliced it, made a lovely little something or other in it, and it's been doing its little business in the fridge all night. So this is cold. So hopefully we can get the superstar Isabella up here to get over here. Get over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get over here. You don't need that over there. Come on. Watch the corner. Watch it. Listen, you can't hang on to the executive producer. You got to get over here. And you got paid to do this. You know, you cashed a check. Okay, now we got to go to the oven. And we got to put this in the oven. So let's go over here.
I'm burning my hand.
What's in the oven? Any surprises? Oh yeah, it's a surprise.
No surprise, pizza.
Yeah, we're gonna hand this over to the executive producer. And we're gonna take this out, put this over here because I gotta wash it after I take a shower. We're gonna turn this on. And apparently there's a mode on here that won't do convection. I haven't got a clue how to use that. Do you know how to do that?
No. My house do it.
Your house you can do. I don't know how to do non-convection. Do I use bake or broil? Let's go with bake. Had needed a break, so she went for a smoke, and now she's back.
That's not. No, that's full.
You went for a smoke and a drink.
I have one.
What? Oh
It's
my
my drink.
gosh! I can't
Come
believe.
on.
Okay, let's go. Come on.
No.
You can put this in the oven for us. Let's go. Come on, superstar. This is not smoke break. Let's go. Oh, you want to dance? What are you doing?
No.
What are you doing, you crazy kid?
No.
Okay, we put this at 450 degrees. I should have probably brought out our new microphones because they can't really hear us properly on there. And big sigh from our special guest star, Isabella.
I am you, Daddy.
I'm keeping my eyes on you.
Not me.
Super special superstar.
Nothing.
Okay, are you going to put this in here?
No.
Or do we got to hire somebody off the street to do it for us?
Yes.
Come on!
No.
Get over here!
Burn my hand.
Get over here, right?
Burn my
You're
hand.
not gonna burn your hand. I promise.
I'll kill me. I
I'm not gonna
can't.
kill you. Who's gonna kill you?
Mom.
No, she's not. Here, put these on. Oh, look, you know how to use them. Huh. Now, pick that up.
No.
see if the audience, the home viewers and studio audience we can zoom in on this. What you're going to see when this starts starting to move, these slits allow the steam and the inside dough to actually rise up through the center of it, and it makes a nice decoration and for a nice fluffy loaf of bread. Now, Isabella comes over here. Hey, don't burn yourself, Mommy, you'll kill us. You want me to put it in? Here, watch it. It's not even hot. Look, Isabella knows what she's doing. Like, get it in there. Now, you know what? We're gonna let it go. It's 11:54.
What's the time? I'm hungry.
We need
Pasta.
We're not having pasta.
Yes, I am.
No, we're not.
Yes.
So, okay, we're gonna let that go for. Let it go for 45 minutes. So, I don't know. I'm gonna go take a shower. So, you know what? I think at. What's the time? Because that time's wrong. So it's not 11:45. It's 12:50. So it's almost 1 o'clock. So we're gonna check it at 1:35, maybe 1:40, and we'll come back at it. Let's go to commercial. Okay, I gotta say her lines too. I can't believe it. Please like and subscribe and do all that thumbs up stuff for us, so that she gets a bunch of subscribers and some. I love her. I love her too much. Love her too much. Okay, say.
Accent.
We're going to commercial.
Accent.
Oh, no.
I do that.
Cut.
Cut.
Thank you.
I did. No. I love you.
Isabella, that was a tough sourdough bread making experience.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry I'm so tough to work with. So I think it'll be the end of the video, and we know that anybody can do sourdough bread.
And subscribe and do this.
Like and subscribe
and
click the button.
Button.
And that's it.
That's it. No.
And that's all.